beautiful pork, Sidapur Katta is getting ready and delicious. Today I will show you how to cook Sidapur Katta pork. It's a black pork similar to the Coorgi pork. So I have got 1.5 kilo of pork with fat. Cooking pot, I've taken 2 large tablespoons of oil. That big cooking pot. Coarsely grinding around 15 cloves as well as 2-inch stick of cinnamon. And let's peel a full pot of garlic. A large spoon of chili powder until it is dark black. Let's add a large spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a good stir. Add the pork because the chili powder has gone black, dark like Kala Katta. Voila. Good stir. Chop 1.5 onion, that big. Spoon of salt. Voila. And then put a big bowl of tamarind water. Now let's add the crushed clove and cinnamon powder. Okay. Aromatic spice. Onions, finely chopped onions and the garlic all together, and then give it a good add a spoon of this magic powder, the curry leaf powder. To know how to make this curry leaf powder, just watch one of my videos. You will find the entire process. Beautiful curry leaf powder. In fact, today is the 16th death anniversary of my mother, and this video is dedicated to her, and we miss her a lot. And my mother's favorite, my mother's favorite, any dish, she made sure she added ginger. So chopped ginger, just say around 2 inches. A teaspoon turmeric powder. This is a must. Turmeric powder is very healthy. Add the final spices. We'll add crushed pepper powder, Sidapur pepper powder, around 3/4 teaspoon, and cumin powder roasted 3/4 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of crushed roasted coriander powder. Voila. And give it a good stir. Now the final tasting, let's add some vinegar, a large teaspoon. There you go. That should be alright, eh? Wow. And then you taste your salt. Voila. Na 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 na. La 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 la. This is the way my mother used to cook.